Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to this special episode where I am going to talk about how to invest in US markets. The first thing is that the grass is always greener on the other side. There's a proverb. In Tamil also there is a proverb, Kura eri kodi pidikadhavan vana eri vaikuntham ponana, which means that the guy who cannot go over the roof to catch the hen, so he is planning to go over the sky to reach the heaven. So these are all people say, when you are not investing in good companies in India, why the people want to invest in US markets? And because, as I said, the grass is always greener on the other side, many times I receive enquiries, sir, how to invest in US markets? First, let me tell you the major news which I want to tell you. As an Indian tax resident, you are not allowed to trade in derivatives in any country other than India. So, forget about futures and options trading, but however, you can invest in equity markets. You can invest in cash market. So many people ask me, sir, how to invest in US market? Then I ask them, why are you so much interested in US market? Then they say, sir, the growth prospects for US is really very good. That's number one. And just look around us. You look at Google, you can look at Facebook, and look at anything, Netflix, Amazon, Apple, Tesla, whatever the big companies are there, they are all from US. Sometimes I wonder, there are 200 over countries in the world, but how come only US people are doing everything? So anyway, that's not our business. So our business is to invest in good business. So people always think by investing in US markets, we can get better return. What are the pros and cons? Well, definitely there will be pros and cons. So first thing is that if you want to invest in US market, the good quality stocks I'm talking, the stocks are very, very expensive. You want to invest in one share of Facebook, it's about 27,000. You want to invest one share of Netflix is about 40,000. One share of Amazon is 2,70,000. Google 1.9 lakhs. Whenever we are talking about US market, how can we forget Warren Buffett? And you know what is the price of one share of Berkshire Hathaway? Warren Buffett, I don't want to tell you. You go and see from the Google and you will actually faint, I can tell you. It is more than 50 lakh rupees per share. Per share. I'm not talking about Warren Buffett company, right? One share. You go and check what is the exact price. So, for individual people, like especially small people, when I say small people, I'm not talking about the size, but people with smaller capital. And how can they invest in US market? The shares are so expensive. So that is number one problem. Number two problem, you need to find a broker who will allow you to trade in international markets. Then you have to go to your bank. You have to tell your bank, I want to invest in US markets. So can you please give me US dollars? So you have to convert your Indian rupee to US dollars and you have to send it to your broker's account. Then you have to buy. Sometimes buying and selling, it should happen only in the late night because US market functions. And that time, for us, it will be a night time. And the third thing, there is a proverb, crocodile has its power only inside the water. The power of crocodile is not outside the water. So, we being Indians and born and brought up in India, so we understand our companies better. But we may not be able to understand those companies very well. Of course, it's not a rocket science, but still, you will not be able to understand as much as their own people understand the business. So, what is the way out? So, that is what I am going to discuss now. Before that, so I want to tell you very, very important. Anything I put it in Twitter, there are some people say, you are not a proud Indian. And then one day I posted something. I said, Tamil guy, something like that. Then, how can you say Tamil guy? You must say Indian guy. And I got so annoyed and I replied, your child goes to the school, your school teacher asks you, which city are you? India. No, which state are you? India. Then teacher say, how come you don't know your address and state? Then the child says, no, you don't know anything about the patriotism. And tomorrow if I go and tweet, Kamala Harris is a Tamil lady, they will say, oh no, why do you say Tamil lady? You must say Indian lady. Where is she is an Indian? She is an American. By race, I am an Indian. By language, I am a Tamil. By nationality, I am not an Indian. What that Indian has got something to do with other things like sports, equity investment and other things. A business is a business. And all the people who troll us in the Twitter, you go and check with them, they want their son to go to America, work as a software engineer to make more money. So, I'm sure when I come out this video also, the people will start trolling. Why are you promoting other country? Why you want to invest in other country? You must invest in India, right? So, let me tell you, patriotism is different and investment is different. You are investing in another country, it doesn't mean that you are not patriotic. So, if everybody think like that, how can you have a Google? The Google do business in India. Amazon do business in India. So, when they do the business with us, why not we go and do business with them? When they make money out of us, why not we make money out of them? So, please understand, don't bring any patriotic issues here. So, now I am going to show you how simply you can invest in US markets. So, this video is promoted by a small case. So, earlier also I have already done 2 videos for small case, and here when I open up this app, so in the home page there is a button called discover. I just click discover and here I can search. So, you search global, so you will get global opportunities, right? And now you can see, if you want to invest in global opportunities fund, the minimum amount you require is only 1,509 rupees. So, the US market, the share prices are so high, but with 1,500 also one can invest. Another thing you can see is a medium volatility, and this small case was launched just 5 months before. You can see in 5 months it has given 8.5% return. And you can just go through this and you can look at the graph, the Nifty large cap versus this global opportunity. Now, my question is the entire money put it in US market? No. So, here you can see out of 100 rupees, they invest 50 rupees in local equity market, 25% in Nifty Bs and 25% in Nifty Junior Bs. Because the Nifty is a low beta, Nifty Junior is a slightly higher beta, so we can expect some delta. So, for every 100 rupees, 25 rupees they invest in Nifty, 25% in Junior Nifty and the remaining 50%, so they invest in Nasdaq 100 exchange traded fund. So, the first thing is that, why invest in ETF? So, I think I don't have to explain that. So, exchange traded fund, Nasdaq or Nifty or Junior Nifty, so it's an average of so many shares. Since we do not have expertise to identify which stock will go up, which stock will come down, so we better invest in index. So, Nifty index or Nifty Junior index and Nasdaq index. So, we get the average out. And another important thing I forgot to tell you, suppose if the money is invested in US markets, there is a way you will get profit even if your share do not appreciate even by 1%. How? Let me tell you, investing in US markets becomes a natural hedge for your currency depreciation. In case Indian rupee depreciates, even let us say today $1 is 75 rupees. You pay 75 rupees, you get $1, you invest $1 in one stock in US. And then after 5 months, 6 months, that share may be trading at $1 only. So, no profit, no loss. But that time, When you sell that, when in that $1, when you bring it back to India, you make it 80 rupees in case if the currency depreciates. So you can see it's a very perfect combination. If Indian rupee appreciates, our market will do. If Indian rupee depreciates, our market may not do well, but your US investment will do well. So that is why I don't know who has come out with this small case. They are very, very clever people. They have allocated 50% for Indian and India, for 50% for US. Even within in India also, that 50% also 25% for Nifty, 25% for Junior Nifty. So that, in case markets are bullish, Junior Nifty is likely to give better return than the Nifty. So if you look at it, stocks and weightage, so we have seen, and you can invest this in SIP also, in systematic investment plan also. Sir, after looking at the small case, why not I buy directly from the broker? And number one, if you buy directly from the broker, you have to place orders individually for all the stocks. That is number one. Number two, what is fair value today? A particular stock trading at a fair value today, maybe after 3 months it may not be trading at a fair value. It may become overvalue. So in that case, we have to remove those stocks, we have to bring in other fair value stocks. So that is what small case call it as a rebalancing. So every 3 months they do rebalancing. So if you buy through small case, so that rebalancing also take care automatically. All you have to do, you have to just click accept when the rebalancing comes. So it will be rebalanced. So I think I have given all the required information. So the link for that small case is given in the description. You can go and check it. So I really like this one, and I am also planning to invest some money in this. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.